We explained what a corpus is in the last video. Let's do a quick review. A corpus is a large database with a lot of texts stored in a computer. You can simply think of it as an enormous library with millions and billions of books. If you're in a library, you may need a librarian to help you find a book that you need. The same goes for a corpus. How do you retrieve the information that you need from a corpus? You need a tool that can search the corpus and find that information. This tool is often called a concordancer, or a corpus-based vocabulary tool. A concordancer, or a corpus-based vocabulary tool, allows users to type in a keyword or a string of words. It works like the Google search engine. For example, in a search box, type something that you want to find about, and Google will search its database, the internet, and find the information that is related to your search. Corpus-based vocabulary tools do the same thing. They process the corpora you feed into it, unlike Google searching the internet. Corpus-based tools are assigned different names depending on the features they provide. In general, there are two main types of corpus-based vocabulary tools: concordancers and collocation retrieval systems. A typical concordancer can be used to search, access, and analyze language from a selected corpus. For example, if you type in the word knowledge, it will retrieve sentences or concordances that include the keyword knowledge from the corpus, just like conducting a search in Google. As for a collocation retrieval system, it retrieves collocation information. Users type in a keyword and the system will help find its collocations. Users can type in a noun and find its adjective collocations, or they can type in a verb and have the system find all possible adverbs that can be used to modify the verb. The tool that we are going to introduce in the next video is a collocation tool. We also call it a pattern-based tool, as it allows users to search for possible word patterns and collocations just by typing in keywords or simple syntax commands. More details on this will follow in the videos to come.